Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. As someone who works in healthcare, I have to wash my hands dozens of times a day. And as you can imagine, it takes a real toll on your skin. This product, Nature's Aid, was recommended to me when I was in search of a product that would help heal dry and damaged hands. I was instantly drawn to the ingredients. I liked everything that it was made out of. Aloe vera, tea tree, witch hazel, all ingredients that I know can contribute to cleaning and repairing skin. So don't be alarmed when you first try it. It takes a long time to rub it all in. As you rub it into your hands, it then starts to feel sticky, but you got to keep going. Get past the sticky part. And the next thing you know, your hands feel soft and moisturized without any oily feeling to them. That's what I like the most. Some of the most intense moisturizers leave an oily feel. I love how my hands feel after using this product. And I also like that it helps keep my cuticles at bay as well. And it's a great size. You can take it with you on the go. Throw it in your purse and you're done. So if you have dry, dull hands from washing them all the time, or they're exposed to the elements, give them a nice daily pampering with the super absorbent gel from Nature's Aid. And that's my point of view.